Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install any application or game from Microsoft Store because of this error code. That is, if you're receiving error code 0x803FB005 or 0x803FB017. Now the first step is to make sure date, time and region is correct. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time. Click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, you can turn it on. Scroll down, click on sync now. This is important. And once the sync is done, go to time and language, language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. And then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run ws reset command. So type in ws reset in Windows search box, and then click on ws reset run command. This will relaunch store, and then you can check. Still not working. Repair or reset store. So type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings, and then scroll down, click on terminate first, and then click on repair. Once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, click on reset. After the reset, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder, your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open app data folder. Now open the local folder. Now open the packages folder. Scroll down, find Microsoft Windows Store folder, and here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Now here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click and delete this local cache folder. Once done, you can relaunch store and then check. Still not working, you can start these services. For this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then you can click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will actually re-register all the Microsoft Store apps, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like this in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is done, you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart. So once this is done, you will see everything red over here, and then restart your PC. Next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now run the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. Run all the commands one by one. Now once this is done, now restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, you can switch to different networks. So if you have any other network available, you can connect to different network and then you can check. Now you can even use phone hotspot, so you can turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone, and then you can connect to your phone network, and then you can check. Next step is to try installing the game or application from library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer, and then instead of installing it from the home page, you can go to downloads, and if you see your application or games over here, you can try to install it from here and then check. You can even try to install it from library. If you find your application or games over here, try to install it from here. Also, you can go to downloads at the bottom left, click on downloads over here, click on check for update. And if you say update all, update everything over here. Once everything is updated, you can check. Still not working, uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Now for this, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make or active on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these, copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Once done, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these two commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your PC and then check. Now if the scan is stuck, in that case you can follow the next step. Next step is to run inet cpl.cpl command. So type in inet cpl.cpl in Windows search box and then click on inet cpl.cpl. Go to advanced tab. Scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked over here, and then hit apply. Apply is important, click on OK and then relaunch store. Next step is to update Windows. This is important, so go to Windows settings, Windows update, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to, if you're trying to install the game, you can use Xbox app to install the game. So if Xbox app is pre-installed on your computer, you can launch Xbox app. If not installed, you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. On this page, you will see download the app option, and then you can download it, run this exe file, and then you can log into Xbox app and log in with the right account which has the game, and then you can try to check. Still not working, you can run gaming services repair tool. To run gaming services repair tool, you can go to Xbox app, click on the profile icon, go to support option, and then click on gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. The repair will take some time, and once the repair is done, now you can check. Still not working, install Xbox identity provider. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Click on view in store, open Microsoft Store. It will take you to Microsoft Store now, and if not installed, you will see install option, get option, or update option. You can do that and then you can check. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. You can copy the first command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command, hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Once done, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. If now it will open store, click on install or get option and let the installation complete. Then you can check. If you face any trouble installing gaming services, restart your computer once. And after the system restart, again open PowerShell as an administrator and then run the first command to uninstall, run the second command to install. And once the gaming services is installed, now you can check. Make sure this is installed 100%. Still not working, you can start these services. Now for this, you can type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find IP helper in the list, make a double click on IP helper, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Find Xbox services. At the bottom here you can see 4 Xbox services. Make a double click on each Xbox services, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Again make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, OK. Again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Now find gaming services, make sure gaming services are running. If not running, make a right click on start if highlighted or click on restart. Do the same thing with the second gaming services, make a right click on start if highlighted or click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then you can check. Now the next step is to, the last step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced options, scroll down, here you can see recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, you can check. So one of the steps shown in the video should help you to install the games or application from store successfully, and you should not receive these two error codes. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.